how to use Dunkin Donuts gift card on DoorDash. If you want to use Dunkin Donuts gift card on DoorDash that looks like this, we will try two methods. Now, first, just go to DoorDash.com or use the DoorDash app and make sure to log into your account. Once you're done, just look for the account option. In the case of website, it is at the bottom left as you can see here. Then from the pop-up menu that appears, you simply want to go to the payment option. Now, once you come to the payment option right here, what you want to do is you can scroll down. Here you can see have a gift card, redeem now button. So you can click on this redeem now button. Now, if this works for you, that's perfectly fine. The chances are it might not work because this is exclusively only for DoorDash gift card, but you might try your luck by clicking the redeem option and trying to redeem it. Now, if this doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to try to add your Dunkin' Donut gift card as a normal payment method and not as a gift card. So you have to add it as a normal credit or debit card just like any other card. Now sometimes it could be a Visa gift card. So if it is a Visa Dunkin' Donut gift card, then it will be accepted on DoorDash as a payment method where you can enter your card number, CVC, expiration month and the year, the zip code and click on the add card option to add it. This way, you should be able to go ahead and then basically add a Dunkin' Donuts gift card on DoorDash. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.